y'all, good morning. Hopefully you can hear me over the air fryer, but it's 8:26 and I'm in the middle, well, just started making breakfast for Aaliyah so we can take her to school. She's having some yogurt right now, but we're back, y'all. We are back. We're back. I'm getting back on my Zoom with the YouTube content. Vlogs. I'm not gonna say hair videos because I'm chopping my hair off. I know every time I come on here I tell y'all I'm chopping my hair off, but I'm for real chopping my hair off. I'm gonna do like a short bob for my birthday, and then I'm gonna do like a short like really chop it off for like Thanksgiving time. And every time I say that, and I don't really be going super short, but I feel like once I do the really short bob for my birthday, it's gonna push me to go even shorter. But yeah, I just want to start from scratch basically with my hair. So right now I'm in the phase where I'm kind of just doing whatever I want. I've been wearing blowouts for like 2 weeks at this point because I got a Dyson, and you know. But yeah, that's what's up. The makeup videos are coming back. Okay, they're coming back. I have so much makeup, so much good makeup. I gotta get back into my favorites video. I saved a ton of stuff to do an empties video, but child, when I was moving, what are you trying? You found a whisk? Whoa. It's okay, I got it. But yeah, when I was moving, I threw out all those products that I saved for the empties video, so that gets scratched. I was hoping to actually get her there at 8:30 to give me a little bit more time in the morning to do what I need to do, because I start work at 11. But we're slowly working our way back up to our 8:30 drop off.
I love eggs, Mommy.
I know you love eggs. I know you love some eggs.
I love Mommy.
You want cheese? We went on a trail, and then when we came home, we had a very unplanned play date with our neighbors because she saw the neighbor's daughter outside riding her little bus, and she wanted to go over there, and so we did. And then the other neighbor's daughter came over, and then the three of them were just having a grand old time. First they were getting all the toys out the garage, then they went to the backyard and they were playing with every single thing in the backyard, the swing, the slide, the ball, everything. And I feel like time kind of flew. We were there for like an hour and a half. Her cup was so full because she loves being outside. So like, she got outside time at school and came home. Well, when I picked her up, we had outside time at the ice cream place, and then outside time at the trail, and then we came home and she had even more outside time. Like, she was just having a great time. I love that for her. So basically Tuesday through Friday, she goes to school. Yes, they get outdoor time there, but if it was up to her, she would spend all day outside. Like, she loves to be outside. Okay, she's a child that if she could spend all day outdoors playing, she would. So when she's there and then I pick her up in my lunch break, by the time we get back, I have to clock in. Like, my lunch break is over.
Hey, you got Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
Drink some, Mommy.
Drink some?
Yeah.
Okay.
I drink. Oh.
Cheers. I have my wrap on. This is not doing much, but I have it on anyway. She has a scarf on because it takes 2 seconds for her to mess up her hair. Thank you. So we're gonna get going, and then I gotta take my brother's football stuff to school, which also was not on my agenda this morning, but I guess I'll take it. I do want to stop at the grocery store to get a few little things.
But let's go to the grocery store.
Yeah, we'll go to the grocery store, me and you, another time. Today, Mama's gonna take you to school and then get that knocked out. Alright, y'all, it's almost 10 o'clock. It's like 9:50, and I'm in the Starbucks drive-thru getting ice. I really only come to Starbucks for their ice and water. I know they're so sick of me, but drop-off took a little bit longer than anticipated because everything was going fine up until when we were about to go in the door. She was running along the corridor, slipped and fell, bumped her head, so she has a scrape. So, you know, we had to make sure she was good. got the first aid kit, all the things, take care of that, and just make sure she was in good spirits before I left. And yeah, I was gonna go to the Aldi down the street, but everything I needed was in the opposite direction, so I was like, forget it, even though that's my favorite one. So I came up here to this Starbucks, dropped my brother's stuff off, and yeah. I'm back at the house. I only picked up a few things at Aldi. And you guys just saw me prep some snacks and things for Miss Girl. So I'm gonna take those down, and then I'll show y'all my setup that I'm working with. But yeah, I got these little containers off Amazon because I have a mini fridge. An emphasis on mini, like it's really tiny, like really tiny, but it's like good enough to hold stuff. Obviously that's why these containers can fit in there, and these little bottles, I feel like this is like the perfect serving size of anything. She's probably gonna run out of water before anything else, so I probably should have did more waters, but I'm also gonna have full-size waters down there because I drink water all day long, so she'll be okay. But yes, so as for her snacks, I have strawberries for her fruit. She's gonna have yogurt. I'm bringing crackers and fruit snacks, and she already has some Oreos, Pringles, all that stuff. She really is probably gonna only eat the crackers. Like I haven't said it in the vlog as yet, but if y'all couldn't tell, this is gonna be very much so a chill day in the life type of video. I still have footage from my kickback over the summer that I never edited. I still have footage from Jordan's birthday trip to Michigan that is not edited. So I don't know, I might put those in like a summer roundup type of vlog situation. We'll see how that goes. We'll see, girl. But this is gonna be just like a day in the life. Yeah, because you know, just something calm for the comeback. So I did pistachio syrup. This is pumpkin spice creamer, and then for my coffee I use this Nescafe iced. Is it focused? Focused. Whatcha? Hello, camera. Hello, what is on anything but my face? I have to put it by my face. This is the Nescafe Ice Roast. I found this because of TikTok, and it's good. It's good. I kind of like it more than Cafe Bustelo, to be honest. Or maybe it's because I had Cafe Bustelo for so long, like I just kind of got used to it. So right now, me and this, we go together real bad. I haven't used my espresso machine in forever because this has been my jam. Okay, so let's see. That's good. I'm gonna do a splash more of creamer. And then I'm gonna get my little cold foam. I'm gonna make this salad kit really quickly. Mainly because I need to eat it before it goes bad. You know, salad kits, they go bad in like 2 business days, child. And I bought this one last week, Friday, I think, or Thursday. So, yeah. I gotta hurry. And I'm not gonna eat it right now. I'm just assembling it and putting it in the fridge for when I do get hungry. Which I don't know when that'll be because I didn't really eat breakfast. I had a hash brown. Had a hash brown and then Aaliyah's leftover from her eggs that she didn't finish. And that was it. But I don't feel super hungry. And once I start drinking this coffee, I'm definitely not going to get super hungry. Lunch/dinner with the pork. That's why I didn't mention. I put some pulled pork. Well, I put some pork roast in the crock pot on high. So it's going to be like 4 hours to be done. Listen, if you are putting anything in the crock pot on low, that's like you put that in there early morning, overnight type vibes. Because, child, if I put that in the crock pot, that's not done till like 7 o'clock. By then, I'm starving. I eat dinner early. So, yeah. I'm going down the basement now. I'm taking y'all so y'all can see my setup and all the things, taking the snacks and whatever. I do have a couple minutes before I have to get on to work. I took my hair out of the ponytail. Just gonna let it breathe a little bit. I'm eventually gonna put it back in there, but probably like later this evening, and then put the wrap back on, or I'll just try to wrap it, which I'm terrible at. But I just took a shower. I'm feeling so rejuvenated, refreshed, and I'm just in a good mood today. And you know, we give thanks for that, okay? But yeah, just took my shower. I'm technically in what's considered filing time. But once you're done with your filing, you just kind of have the time to yourself. So I had like 15 minutes and I just took a quick shower and yeah. Then I go down, I have to change my aux and I have a 10-minute break. So in my 10-minute break, I'm probably gonna make a sandwich for Aaliyah for pickup and then just chill until it's time for me to get back on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I only have a minute left on this SD card, so I need to clear off some space, but I'll talk to y'all later. Currently in the car driving, I'm watching McKenna's vlog. This vlog is 3 hours long. Listen, love McKenna down, love her vlogs, and you know, in a different season of life, this would have been perfect. Like, I first discovered her when I was freshly postpartum, you know, newborn baby and everything. In your newborn bubble, you're not doing nothing. I could sit and watch me a little 3-hour, 4-hour vlog. And so at that time she was doing 2-hour vlogs, and those were perfect. I was living my best life. Now with these movies that she's producing, it takes me like a week to finish them because I just don't have the time. Like, you have to think about it. If you spend 8 hours of your day sleeping, 8 hours of your day working, that's 16 hours. And don't let it be a case where you gotta commute to work, because then it's really more than 8 hours. Or if you have like an hour for lunch or whatever the case is, then it's really like 9 hours. You know what I'm saying? So let's say 10 hours for work, because you have to prep to get to work, actually be at work, then your lunch hour, then all these things. So 10 hours at work, 8 hours sleeping, that's 18. Baby, you need the rest of the time to live. You know what I'm saying? And if you're trying to watch multiple people at one time, where are you gonna find 4 hours to watch one YouTube video? That's gonna be your only source of consumption of media, entertainment, whatever for the day. I'm just saying. So like, it takes me forever to watch these videos. No, depending on the type of job you have, you might be able to watch the videos while you work, but I don't got that type of job. So there's that. So yeah, I am so behind on not just her, but everybody's vlogs. Like, I cannot keep up. I'm sorry. sorry. I just can't. I really cannot keep up. I'm struggling so bad. And that's not to say, oh, I'm trying to keep up with people's lives, but basically it's just like I love watching vlogs, you know what I mean? I love watching YouTube videos, period, and I just have not watched a lot of YouTube content. Clearly have not created a lot of YouTube content. This season of life is just not allowing me to be able to just sit down and just binge watch YouTube like I used to, basically. Alright, y'all. We're on the last stretch of the evening. Aaliyah's chilling, drinking her juice, watching some Miss Rachel, and I'm on my last break before I finish out for 30 minutes. So, no, I'm lying. 40 minutes. So, yeah. Hopefully I don't get any last minute calls that keep me on longer than I need to be. So I'm ready to be done. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, y'all. So it is currently 8:25 and we are ready. We're about to head out the door. I told y'all, we're so back. At least we're getting there. So yeah, I'm about to take Ollie to school, do drop off, and get all the things that I need to get done. But I'm wrapping up this vlog. Keeping it short and sweet. Quick little welcome back to the vlog type of situation. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.